What they did was, since she won't tell them where her daughter was, because she did what she's supposed to do, they subpoenaed her to come to court. Now, Mama messed up because the ex girlfriend mother messed up because on your job, the judge know, the lawyers know that they cannot fire you to be subpoenaed to come to court. Even if you got jury duty, your job can't do nothing to you. So if she was subpoenaed to come to court, she could sue her job. So they know she ain't talking right. She ain't talking right. She don't. I don't know what happened or why she changed the man. Okay, but she did make a statement, y'all. She thinks she helped him, help Melly, but she hurt him. Her name gonna come up in the closing argument. This woman name is gonna come up in the closing argument because she didn't tell the truth what she wrote. She wrote that information about Melly. This woman right here did. Now that she in his face, she changes her mind. So let's get into the video, okay?
Raise your right hand, be sworn.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you should give this case shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Please state your full legal name for the record.
Felicia Ashe Holmes,
Please spell your first and last name for the court recorder.
FELICIA, age of health and disease.
Please have a seat. Ms. Holmes?
Yes, sir.
That microphone in front of you does not move back and forth. It'll adjust up or down, but not back and forth.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, you may proceed.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Holmes.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Not good.
Are you cold?
No, I'm just, I don't feel comfortable.
Are you nervous?
I feel threatened.
So, Ms. Holmes, I want to start and just talk about who you are.
Yes.
Ms. Holmes, do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury who is Mariah Hamilton?
My youngest daughter.
And how old is Mariah?
She's 22 right now.
And Mariah, did she have a romantic relationship with someone named Jamel Dennis, also known as YNW?
Yes, she did.
When was she involved in that romantic relationship with Melly?
I'm thinking maybe 2016 or so till maybe 2019, 20.
Okay. Did you have the opportunity to meet Mr. Dennis?
Yes, I did.
What did you refer to him as?
I call him Janelle Melly.
Do you see him here in the courtroom?
Yes, I do.
Where is he?
He's right here.
And what's he
Now
wearing?
stop. She's smiling. Like, there you go. There you go. That's my boy. Now, the mom might not have no problem. Sometimes moms don't have no problem with the boyfriends when the girls break up. So they probably had a good relationship. You know what I mean?
I'm thinking maybe 2016 or so till maybe 2019, 20.
That the girlfriend, her daughter, was with Melly when he did this. So she know more than what the mom sometimes they don't tell the mothers everything. But I think she know. I'm sorry about that, y'all.
Did you have the opportunity to meet Mr. Dennis?
Yes, I did.
What did you refer to him as?
I call him Janelle Melly.
Do you see him here in the courtroom?
Yes, I do.
Where is he?
He's right here.
And what's he wearing?
The white turtleneck and a gray jacket.
Your Honor, may the record reflect an in-court identification of the defendant.
Yes, the record will reflect the in-court identification of the defendant.
So in October of 2018, had you met the defendant prior?
Yes, I did.
How many times had you met him in person prior to that?
A couple.
A couple?
Maybe two maybe.
Okay. Did you follow him on social media?
I'm not sure. In 2018, I wasn't. No.
Did you know if he had social media at that time?
I didn't.
Did you have a social media account at that time?
Yes, I did.
And what was your social media handle?
I'm sorry,
What was your social media name
my name, for which one?
for Instagram?
Instagram, was like Bling Queen 258.
Did you have a Snapchat at that time?
I don't think so. If I did, I may have.
What about your daughter? Did she have an Instagram?
I'm pretty sure she did.
Did she have Snapchat?
I'm pretty sure she did.
So I'm going to show you what's been already admitted into evidence as 861. There's a couple of videos and things on that I would like to ask you to ask some questions about.
No, she ain't gonna go against her own daughter.
Your Honor, we'd object as to the predicate being laid for this witness to testify to any of this material.
Thank you. Objection noted.
So I'm showing you what is titled Memory.
Do hair relaxers cause
Okay.
cancer and
I did, yeah, commercial. Listen to the questions, y'all. I got the hold on. Listen to the question.
October 9th, 4:58 UTC, MELLY, Montana. Can you see that picture there on your screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Who is the female over there?
That's my daughter,
And which daughter is
She
that?
look like just like her mama right there.
Mariah.
Okay. Who else is in that photograph with her?
That's Chanel.
I want to go here to this image. This is 2018, November 11th, 23:53:26 UTC. Again, MELLY, Montana. Who is pictured in this photograph?
My daughter, Mariah.
Okay, now I want to tell y'all this. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, her daughter. Today I did I upload a video for y'all. No, let me see. I think it's hold on. It's still loading, y'all. And when a prosecutor smart, what she did was today in court pulled up the Snapchat of everybody that's associated with socializing with MELLY back then. His girlfriend, girlfriend, we know stuff sometimes we don't. Now, she not gonna give any information. Let me see, how can I get you? I just want y'all, hold on for a minute. I'm gonna have to, since it's somebody else's video, I'm gonna have to put it up like this. Hold on. I'm gonna have to do it this way, y'all. This is somebody else's video. Law and Crime. Shout out to Law and Crime, because they about the only one been covering a lot of stories for some reason. But let's listen to this. It's the same video. Hold on.
Object as to the predicate being laid for this witness to testify to any of this material.
Thank you. Objection noted.
So I'm showing you what is titled Memories 2018, October 9th, 4:58 UTC, MELLY, Montana. Can you see that picture there on your screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Who is the female over there?
That's my daughter,
And which daughter is that?
Mariah.
Okay. Who else is in that photograph with her?
That's Chanel.
I want to go here to this image. This is 2018, November 11th, 23:53:26 UTC. Again, MELLY, Montana. Who is pictured in this photograph?
My daughter, Mariah.
Do you recognize the individual in the back?
No.
Prior to coming into court yesterday, were you shown two photographs of the alleged victims in this case?
Yes, I was.
Were you able to identify them?
No, I was not.
In terms of your relationship with Anthony Lance and Chris Thomas, how many times have you met them?
Zach maybe twice. Judy maybe once.
And do you know them by their real names?
No, I don't.
How did you refer to them?
Back in June.
Okay. So I want to go forward to some of the videos in this particular exhibit, specifically Memories 2018, October 18th to 1749 UTC. Start with this one. I'm going to
From my other relationship, they need the most important shit here.
So the image that is shown there, do you recognize the person in that driver's license?
It's blurry.
Okay. I'm going to show you another video, the next one. Whose driver's license is that?
That's my daughter.
The conversations and things that on there, do you recognize the voice?
I didn't really, you have to say it again.
She know that voice.
From my other relationship, they need the most important shit here.
Do you recognize the person who's speaking in that video?
Yes, I do.
Who is that?
That's Janelle.
Okay.
Okay, now the video that I'm telling you that the prosecutor smart now. Today in day 11 in court on the Snapchat, the defense lawyer pulled the prosecutor pulled that voice up, y'all, on the video. Okay. They said that the defendant said that no, that's not him on that video. That's not Melly on that video. Then the mama right here, y'all just heard me play that. They asked the mama who voice was that. Did she recognize that voice? And you heard what she said. Yes. And she said, who? That's Jamel. So the defendant done messed up now because they pulled the Snapchat up today in day 11 to prove that they said the defender said it wasn't Melly, and then the witness right here said that was Melvin. That's Melvin.
So I want to go back to October 26th of 2018. Where were you living?
I was living in Cocoa.
And my geography is terrible, I think. How far away is Cocoa from Broward County?
About 3-4 hours.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a registered nurse.
Were you a registered nurse at that time as well?
Yes, I was.
Did you know the defendant's mother?
Yes, I was.
And who is she?
Jamie.
Have you met her prior to October 26th of 2018?
Yes, I did.
Have you communicated with her?
Yes, I did.
Did you have a phone number for her?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I probably did.
I'm not asking you, sir.
I don't know if I did or not. I can't remember.
Okay. So I want to go forward on October 26th of 2018 and talk about early morning hours. Did you receive or hear a phone call or a FaceTime video call in which the defendant was a participant?
I did overhear. I'm not quite sure exactly the context of the call.
Recordings just got better.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Hey, it's Dana from StreamYard. I'm so excited to announce that local recordings are now available.
But I did overhear the phone call.
Okay. Tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what woke you up that morning.
Just hear my daughter's voice.
Okay. What was the tone of her voice without saying what she said?
I don't remember. I don't remember.
Okay. Do you remember anything the defendant said on that video?
Not really, no, I don't.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to read the statement you gave in 2018?
I read the statement.
Okay.
But I don't recall. I don't remember anything from that statement, but I do remember my deposition from December 22.
So the deposition, that would have been 6 months ago?
Yes.
Okay. I want to go and when you spoke, do you remember speaking with law enforcement in December of 2018?
I remember speaking with them, but I don't remember what they look like. I don't remember their names, but I do remember talking to some.
Okay. So, Ms. Holmes, I'm going to ask you, were you honest and truthful with law enforcement when you spoke with them?
I would hope so. I mean, it was 2018. I went through a lot from that year, so I'm not sure where my mindset was at that time.
Did you lie to law enforcement?
I would hope not. I don't remember what I said that. It was like 5 years ago.
Oh, of course, I understand, it's been a long time. So in terms of the time frame, that was closer in time to the incident of October 26th of 2018?
If that's where you guys are seeing it is.
You don't even remember?
I don't remember, because in 2018 was a very hard year for me. My husband just went to prison, my father died, I had a lot going on, so
Of course.
I was really out of it.
And in terms of your conversations with the police officers that morning?
Yes. I do remember that they kind of bullied me and threatened my daughter and took her to jail for accessory after that. I do remember that.
Yes. And in terms of the statements that you made about what happened, you don't have any recollection of that? Did you read this statement multiple times?
I looked at it and I just didn't recall it, and
And so you indicated you hoped you were truthful with law enforcement.
yes, I did.
I have to ask you to be more definitive. Were you truthful?
I don't remember what I said to them that day, so if I was to tell you something now, I could be lying. I don't want to lie on the stand because you're going to take me to jail. So
Look, y'all. Look. The daughter done be in the jail. The husband locked up. Now what they telling y'all? What do they tell y'all about her, allegedly? Okay. She said she can't, y'all just heard the young lady. She said she can't tell y'all, she don't remember and everything. Watch what the prosecutor do. The prosecutor smarter than they think. She quiet and slick. Watch what she do. Since she said she don't remember, watch what the prosecutor do. I can't show y'all because it's the video belongs to somebody else.
I'm saying what you want me to say.
I do not want you to say anything. I want you to tell the truth.
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
Okay. So, Ms. Holmes, with regards to that day, did you lie to law enforcement?
I didn't
Excuse
answer.
me, hold on. Repeat your question.
I don't remember.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Only one person can talk at a time, and there was an objection. I just wanted to.
Okay.
All right, you asked your question again.
Okay. So, Ms. Holmes, did you lie to law enforcement?
Not that I recall. I don't remember.
Going forward to the events of that day,
Yes.
when you heard that phone call, where were you?
Home.
Where was it? Home in Cocoa? Who else was there at your house?
My kids.
When you heard the phone call, did you hear what had allegedly happened?
I heard that there might have been a shooting.
Did you see any pictures or videos of anyone that was injured at that point?
No, I did not.
Did you see the defendant on the screen of that video call?
I saw his face, yes.
In terms of the
Hey, she got her. She got her again. She got. I just picked up, y'all. I'm glad I found this video. Okay, now today in court on day 11, like I just said on the Snapchat, she just proved the witness right here. Don't even know. She just proved to the defendant, the defense lawyer, and the judge that was Melly on the screen. Defense lawyer said it wasn't. She just said again it was Melly. She said Jamel. Loud, y'all. Okay. Ooh-wee. Now this video right here was day 4, but they talked about this Snapchat thing today in day 11.
method of communication, do you know if it was a FaceTime call?
I assumed it was FaceTime. I couldn't say for sure what kind of call it was.
At the time of October of 2018 through December of 2018, did you know the defendant's phone number?
No, I don't.
Do you recall today what the defendant's phone number was?
No, I don't.
Okay. In terms of the information and stuff that you have regarding that phone number, was that saved in your phone at that time?
It may have been. I can't remember.
Do you remember what phone number you had?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
So, Ms. Holmes, to go back in terms of looking at your statement or any of the other anything, refresh your recollection as to what the defendant's phone number was and what you had at that time.
I'm sorry, could you repeat the question?
Sure. You said you didn't remember the defendant's phone number.
No, I don't.
Would looking at a copy of your statement help refresh
yourself. And from, we're gonna start here, this, and through here, okay? When you're doing that, does that refresh your recollection?
Look at Melly.
Your Honor, pursuant to 90.8035, the state would move at this time to read into the record the relevant portions.
Objection. Can I see, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
We don't, it's 12 o'clock, let's take our lunch and recess, don't discuss the case, don't form any opinion about the case, don't allow anyone to discuss the case. There's certainly no research, all right? Please go ahead on your chair, sorry for the delay. What time? The director of Wetland Trust, the Chairman, the council, the chief state attorney, the general attorney, all witnesses. We should hold the names on the stand. Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize for the delay, my fault. Many of that people were seeing now, Ms. Holmes, I just remind you, you're under oath. All right. Thank you. Proceed, counsel.
Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about your deposition.
Yes.
You recall, and you can provide a copy of that deposition.
Yes, I got, my lawyer got provided.
When you, in that deposition, were you asked if your prior
Objection.
What?
I heard it over. You can ask your question, counsel.
That's right.
Ms. Holmes, prior to that deposition,
He doing, only thing he doing is just doing his job. But that lady telling on them. Mariah telling on them, y'all, and she don't even know it. She don't know it. The girlfriend mama telling everything, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh Lord, she telling everything, Jesus. She messing them up. Hold on, y'all.
I did on December 22nd. Yes, it was given to my lawyer yesterday, right before. Brief to that, yes.
so the deposition you were had, that was
It was
right.
given to my lawyer yesterday, yes, it was.
So, do you remember coming into that deposition?
Yes, I do. I was in jail, put me in jail.
Correct.
Wow.
So it's clear in terms of you don't want to be here.
You're making me be here. Yes, I have a house with a band on my leg. I'm a nurse. I can't even work properly. Yes.
You were under house arrest because you failed to comply with the subpoena.
No, you're not serving me.
Sustain. Listen. How we're gonna do this is you ask your questions, counsel, ma'am, listen to her question, answer her question.
Yes, I am.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So going back to that deposition.
Yes.
On December 14th of 2022.
Yes.
Do you remember coming to my office?
Yes, I do.
Do you remember being asked questions at that time?
Yes, I do.
Do you recall being given a copy of your prior statement of December 12th, 2018?
No, I don't remember that. I don't remember doing it, but I'm pretty sure.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is permission to approach her
With what, counsel?
for deposition.
Objection, Your Honor.
I have to give her an opportunity to.
I saw it.
Excuse me. No question, none of you. All right, you can proceed, counsel.
Okay. So, counsel, I'm showing her page 10, line 10 through 17.
Now, what the prosecutor doing to her now, y'all? See, she said our prosecutor gave her a chance to say what she said she don't remember. Now, the mom could be getting herself in trouble again, allegedly. Because if she filled the statement out to the detective, that means she lied to the detective on the information.
Okay, so just read them silently to yourself.
Now listen to the prosecutor when the lady finishes reading.
So back on December 14th, 2022, were you asked if you need to make any corrections or deletions to the statement of December of 2018?
That's what the deposition
She wrote it, y'all. She killing them, y'all. She messing them defense. She messing that lawyer up over there. She messing Melly up. But she the one. She wrote a lot on there about Melly, y'all. She wrote that deposition down. She wrote it down. The mom right here, the ex-girlfriend mother. She wrote it. So whatever on that paper she wrote, because the lawyers, they got their copy and the judge. She said it. She said it. Now she tried to act like she didn't write it.
That Ms. Holmes is the December 2018 statement that you gave correct and honest.
Objection as an answer. Excuse me. You have to let, I don't understand you're trying to answer the question, Ms. Holmes. When they raise an objection, exactly, let me answer the objection first.
Yes, sir.
Objection notice overruled. Question is the statement. Repeat your question.
Is this December 2018 statement correct and honest?
I don't remember the December 2018 statement.
In December of 2022,
Yes,
did you state that it was an honest and correct statement?
that's what you put in the deposition. I don't remember saying it, so I can't remember verbatim what happened. I can't remember some parts of this deposition at all.
Okay, is there anything that you need to refresh your recollection to determine whether or not I'm being truthful and accurate as to what the question was in your answer?
I don't know to say that.
Okay.
That's a question.
And ask if there's anything that would help.
One at a time. I just wanted to let them finish your answer before you ask the next question.
So, Ms. Holmes, is there anything that would help refresh your recollection?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Would the audio of the statement of December 2018 help?
Objection. What's the objection? It's irrelevant. She testified 3 times. Thank you. Now as to this, go ahead. Overrule.
Yeah, what is he talking about?
So, Ms. Holmes, with regards to the events of October 26th of 2018,
Yes, ma'am.
did you travel down here to Burlington?
Yes, I did.
Who did you come with?
My daughter and my wife.
Okay, where did you go?
We went to one of Janelle's friend's house.
And whose house is that?
Frida.
And now approaching what's been previously shown to the defense counsel and marked as states triple N for identification purposes only. Ms. Holmes, do you recognize the two individuals in that photograph?
Yes, I do.
How do you recognize them?
I know Frida from being on Instagram from Happy to Rapper.
Okay, any other individual in that photograph?
My daughter is with me.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I didn't hear that.
I'm sorry.
I didn't hear your answer.
Which one? Do I recognize?
Thank you.
I do recognize Frida from Instagram for being a rapper, and I recognize Janelle from dating my daughter.
Your Honor, this time of state, we're requesting the state's triple N in as the next number exhibit.
Any objections?
Relevant.
Overruled. It'll be admitted.
States triple N, remark states 62.
That mama don't bust y'all, baby.
This is the photo that you can see on your screen that you just identified? Okay. So when you said Frito, is this the individual's house you went to?
Oh, she went over his house with her daughter. Wow.
Ms. Holmes, how much money has the defendant's manager given you since the October of 2018?
Objection. Relevance. Motion second.
Woo-wee. I'm telling y'all, listen, let me tell y'all this. This day right here, day 4 is messing up to day 11 for the defendant. And they don't realize it.
How much money have you gotten from the defendant, Jamal's manager? And
Launch Credit Union.
Okay. And Launch Credit Union, you've been there for a number of years.
Many years.
The credit union that you've been at, it's been your account, I won't put your account number on the record for that reason.
Your Honor, objection is not requesting based on the court's ruling.
Objection on so proceed.
So your testimony is that you have never been given money whatsoever.
I've never been given money for personal use.
Okay. So the question is, how much money have you been given by the defendant?
For vacation for all, for him, his wife, and me to pay for it as far as, he gave me $5,000 for Airbnb, which I gave him $1,000 to deposit that.
So he did give you money.
Not for personal use.
Can we clarify who he is, Jameson Francois?
Wow. Hold up now. Let me see if they talking about Francois gave her the money or did another manager give her the money. Hold on, y'all.
Just clarify, counsel.
So it's clear, who is Jameson Francois?
He's trapped, he's now his manager.
And his wife as well. Who's his wife?
I just go by AA.
So AA and his wife.
We're all good friends.
Ooh. Y'all, I'm telling y'all right now. She don't say she got that she helped the prosecutors, and she don't even know it. Francois gave her $5,000. Really, well, allegedly hush hush money. Wow, ain't this something? Everybody friends.
Previously served the defense counsel and marked as stage triple M. It's a composite of 17 pages. Did you have an opportunity to review that prior to coming into court today?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And in terms of the individuals and the phone numbers that are on that, do you recognize your own phone number?
No, I did not.
Okay. Going forward to the contents of that particular item, do you recognize the conversation about a snake?
No, I did not. I know they had a snake. I don't recognize this conversation.
Okay. With regards to the conversation about the snake that you do remember, what do you remember about the snake?
That they had a snake.
What happened to it?
Objection. Relevance is sustained.
Aaron, may we approach that? So, Ms. Holmes, I want to ask you a question as to what was your daughter's phone number back in October 2018?
I have no idea. I don't know.
Is there anything that would refresh your recollection as to what her phone number was?
No, because I don't even mind.
You don't even remember your own?
Yeah, no, I don't know.
In terms of, did you review your statement of December 12th of 2018? Did you review that statement prior to testifying today?
Yes, I did.
And in that statement, were you asked, what is your daughter's phone number?
Objection.
I don't remember.
I don't even remember my own
If I were
kids'
to
number.
show you the statement, would that help refresh your recollection as to whether or not you were asked that question?
I don't think so. But you can show us.
Your information to approach?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 3 of 8. If you could just read silently to yourself.
Yeah, she remembered.
Okay. Looking at that, does
She
that refresh your
remembered.
recollection as to what your daughter's phone number
I
was?
still don't recognize the number. It doesn't for me. I don't know if that's her number. I don't recognize the number.
Okay, you don't recognize the
I
number.
got 3 daughters, so I don't know.
So, should I finish and treat the witness as possible?
Objection. Sidebar, please. Please.
Okay, Ms. Holmes, when we left off, we were talking about a pet snake.
Yes.
Do you remember there being a pet snake?
I remember you talking to me about it yesterday.
Okay. And with regards to that snake, you recall it unfortunately passed away.
I'm pretty sure probably. I'm not sure. It's not here. I'm pretty sure.
Do you remember the name of that pet snake?
You know, I don't.
in terms of the owners of that thing, do you remember who owned it?
I just know it was, I know the owner was, it was in the house with Mariah.
Where did Mariah live at that time?
She lived in Myanmar.
And do you know the address?
No, I don't.
Who did she live with?
She lived with a boyfriend, but you know.
Who? Woo-wee!
Are you telling the ladies and gentlemen of this jury that you don't remember your phone number in
I'm
October
telling you guys,
2018?
I do not remember my phone number. I don't remember.
And are you telling the ladies and gentlemen of this jury that you don't remember your daughter's phone number?
No, I do not remember my daughter's phone number.
And there's nothing that would refresh your memory or recollection whatsoever?
Objection, ask and answer. Overruled.
That was 4 years ago. I've had so much trauma in my life since then.
Of course. So, is it fair to say that you were worried about Melly when you came down here to Fort Lauderdale on October 26, 2018?
Was I worried about him? Yes, I was.
You were worried about him because he had just been involved in a drug fight.
Not because they said his friends had been trying.
And you were worried about him because he was hiding in some bushes.
Objection.
I don't remember him being suspicious.
What do you remember?
I sustain the objection.
What do you remember?
I should remember him saying, "Oh, it's to come get him."
When you made contact with him later that same day at Frida's house,
Yeah.
is it fair to say he had no blood on him?
No, he didn't have any problem.
And is it fair to say that he left Frida's house and went up to a video shoot that afternoon evening?
Yes, he did.
Did you go to that video shoot?
No, I didn't.
Did Mariah live with Mr. Devins after the homicide for a period of time?
Some
Yowza. Woo-wee! I'm telling y'all. Honey, Mariah is her daughter, y'all. This thing is getting hot, y'all. It's hot. Because this came up in court today. And it messed the defense lawyer up. She right here, this is day 4. Day 4 told them up. I'm sorry.
You were in that condo in Miami with him?
Yes, she did.
Okay. Have you made other statements about the events of October 26th of 2018?
I don't remember making any other statements.
Do you recall a Instagram conversation with the co-defendant Courtland Henry?
I don't remember it.
Okay, if I may approach, see if this refreshes your recollection as to that conversation.
Except for Mark Council.
Not yet, Your Honor.
Wow.
I don't remember it.
That-
I don't remember it.
You don't have any recollection of that?
I don't remember it.
Is that your Instagram, Lane Queen 258?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and the conversation that you don't recall on that whatsoever?
Yeah, I don't remember it.
Okay.
Oh, wait. This girlfriend, mama, done messed up for Melly. Ooh, wait, Melly is it all in this, y'all. Whoa, Melly's guilty. This the witness. This one, the main, she's talking today. See, this prosecutor so slick and smart, like I said, in day 11 today was this today, day 4. Y'all got to pay attention. I told y'all to pay attention to the prosecutor because she too calm, collected, and smart. She ain't no prosecutor for nothing.
Is your testimony here today that you lied in those statements?
That line in my statements.
The allegations that you made to Mr. Henry?
I don't remember making those allegations, so I don't know.
Do you remember sending screenshots of those allegations to a detective?
I remember sending a detective something stating that I didn't threaten boyfriend.
No.
Because I remember that.
You remember sending screenshots of conversations?
I remember telling him that I did, because he reached out to me asking me that I threatened to kill Gordon. And I said, no, I did not threaten Gordon. I remember that.
Was there any threats made to you by the defendant?
No.
In terms of your daughter, Mariah, where is she?
I don't know.
After this incident, did she live with the family of the defendant?
She's always lived down there. Before this incident, she always lived there.
And your testimony to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury here today that you saw Melvin on October 26th, 2018.
Y'all know what? Why is the daughter living with him, with Melly, and instead of at home with her? What's going on with this family?
I did ask him.
That you spoke with him and heard him on the FaceTime conversation.
I did speak with him, yes.
And it's your testimony that he indicated that it was some sort of shooting that occurred.
Yes, I did, yes.
Okay, and it's your testimony that you saw him on your daughter's cell phone as a video call.
I saw him.
Is it your testimony today that after that you called Jane King?
Yes, I did call Jane.
And in terms of the conversation with Jane King, that occurred immediately after the FaceTime?
Not probably immediately, but sometime after. I'm not quite sure the time. I don't remember what time it was.
And it's your testimony to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury today that you were dishonest in your first statement?
I don't remember my first statement.
Okay. Is it your testimony to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury that you would lie?
I don't remember my first statement. I have no reason to lie to you.
Yes or no? Did you lie to police?
I did not lie to you. No.
Yes or no? Did you lie to police?
I didn't lie to you. I don't remember my first statement. You're trying to make me say I remember my first statement. I didn't. For me to say no, I didn't lie would mean I remember my first statement. I don't remember it, so I don't remember it.
Well, if you need more time to look it over, I have a copy of the
I looked it over and I still don't remember it.
Well,
I had to look it over 100 times. I don't remember.
well, if you'd be so kind as to do it one more time.
Yeah, sure.
You can say that to this jury that this is not truthful.
Yes. Please take your time.
Objection asked and answered 5 times.
Same objection noted. Overruled.
That's right. Get him, Judge. This the case right here, y'all.
I honestly did not remember any of this on here. Like, I don't remember talking. I don't remember. I had a hard time that year, so it's a lot that I don't remember about that year.
Is it your common practice to lie to law enforcement?
Objection.
Excuse me,
I
that's
never
instructed.
did lie for you.
Quiet, please.
Transcript that you're saying is on that academic version?
Same.
I don't know.
Excuse me, I just made the objection.
Okay, so going back to the relationship with your daughter and the defendant.
Yes.
How long did that last?
3 years. Not quite sure how long.
During the course of that relationship, did she have multiple photographs of him?
I'm pretty sure she did.
Videos?
I'm pretty sure she did.
After this incident, on October 26, 2018, at Freedom's house, is it your testimony that your daughter went upstairs with Mr. Devins?
She did. They did go upstairs.
They went upstairs. And do you know about what time you got to Broward County?
I probably got to Broward. Maybe I can't really remember the time. Maybe I don't want to lie. I don't know. But 1 o'clock it was after lunch. We went to lunch right after. So it was after. It was lunchtime. It was 1 o'clock.
Do you remember?
Y'all know what? Frito know what happened. I hope this. Wait, y'all. If they don't get what they want, it may be a RICO. It's a lot of people seem like they in this. I'm surprised they didn't subpoena Frito to come to up here and testify, because Melly was in his house, him and the girlfriend. You know he know what happened.
Lunch? Yes. Do you remember where you went to lunch? I don't remember which restaurant. Do you remember who you went with? My daughter and AA. And that's Jameson Crensshaw's wife? Yes. And do you remember your 2003, you remember the defendant, how he was dressed without blood on his clothing? I don't remember exactly what he had on, but I just remember there was no blood, because I would have been, that would freak me out. So I know he had blood on. No blood on him. Is it your testimony to the jury in terms of that you went to Frito Bang or Frederick Gibbons' house? Yes. Is it your testimony to the jury that there were other individuals present at that house? Yes. Who was it? I don't know. Do you recognize any of the individuals? No, I don't. Okay. Your daughter, she was present? Yes, she was. Okay. And in terms of your appearance here today, yes. You don't want to be here. You made me come here. I did.
She a mess.
The best thing about Tribe is
the mama
we
is a
introduce
mess.
early.
That mama hanging around them young boys. Yeah, dog. Ooh-wee.
In terms of you were served with a subpoena.
Never served.
And so you were ordered by the court to show up.
You never served me originally. That was a lie.
And in terms of your job.
Yes.
Did you quit your job?
I got fired because you put me in jail.
And prior to that,
yes.
Before you were put in jail, did you quit your job?
No.
Okay. So you never quit your job?
I had to leave because you told my lawyer to put a warrant out for me. So I had to leave my job. Okay. So you left your job? Yes.
Did the defendant ever offer to pay for you and your daughter?
No. I did my own money.
Have you ever made statements contrary to that?
I don't remember.
If I may approach her?
Counter objection. Your show, counsel. Can we approach? Sure.
Okay. Ms. Holmes, were you ever told the defense, or the defendant rather, would take care of you and pay for your bills? Have you ever made a statement that is different than that?
I didn't say anything like that.
Can I approach her?
Sure.
Wow, she busted mama up. Mama wrote down everything.
So, Ms. Holmes, is it your statement testimony that you never stated the promises that were made to us by YNW for me to quit my job and they would take care of us for all lives? They didn't want us talking with prosecutors, but now they've all disappeared. You've never said that before.
I don't remember saying anything.
Objection, Your Honor. Move for mistrial. Thank you. Why don't you go sidewalk?
Ms. Holmes, did you ever say the defendant made you quit your job?
I don't remember saying anything like that. I don't remember being put my job.
Objection.
Can I approach her?
Wow. Look at that, y'all. She said it. She wrote it.
So I'm going to ask you again. Have you ever made a statement that the defendant made you quit your job and that they would take care of us until the trial was over?
I didn't say anything like that.
Okay. So you're denying making that statement?
Wow, y'all, that lady, hey, the girlfriend mama a mess. Didn't I just allegedly I told y'all that the daddy locked the boyfriend locked up, the girlfriend on been locked up, and the mama seen him ain't telling the truth. She wrote it down. The lady just showed her what she said. He was gonna take care of them. Wow. And now she trying to say she didn't say it, but it's in her writing.
Objection. Your Honor, can I just have a standing objection so we don't keep interrupting?
Now, your name? State if you heard on standing objection.
Whatever defense is.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Okay. So, Ms. Holmes, in terms of have you ever said a statement, have you ever made a statement to the effect, you were told to quit your job and the defense would take care of us?
Objection.
Excuse me.
The defense? No.
Which comes up?
And we have another motion.
Objection made to the last question. I made a determination that was an inappropriate, improper question. And the way it's phrased was totally improper, and therefore I sustain the objection. I am instructing you that you will disregard the question. All right? I'm going to ask counsel to rephrase the question. Go ahead.
So it's clear. Ms. Holmes, did the defendant ever make you a promise to quit your job and that they had us?
Objection. Asked and answered.
Now you're overruled. Proceed.
I don't remember saying anything like that.
You're saying that you never said that.
My address, and I don't remember.
Counsel, she answered the question. All right? Let's move on.
So with regards to your statements with Portland Henry,
She's smiling. She said,
do you remember speaking and talking about your daughter with Portland Henry?
No, I don't. When was that? I don't remember.
Sure. When was that? Here, I'll introduce you again. This was February 5th of 2021. You still have here?
Oh, no, I remember that.
You don't remember that?
Yeah.
Did you talk to Portland Henry about your daughter's involvement in this case?
I don't recall.
she a mess.
Did your daughter tell you what happened in this case?
Objection. What's the objection?
Comes for hearsay. It's immaterial.
Not what the statement said, that you say something about the case. It's overruled.
That's right, Judge.
Excuse me. Not what was said. Was there a conversation?
Was there a conversation that your daughter told you what happened in this case?
What do you mean what happened?
Did your daughter ever tell you?
She has, I asked my daughter, did she know anything about this case? And she said no.
Have you ever made a statement different than that?
Not that I can recall. No, I don't remember saying anything like that.
And Counselor?
Yes, ma'am.
We object.
Why don't you show the counsel first?
Let me let the folks ask you, did your daughter tell you, did you have a conversation with your daughter about what happened on October 26th of 2018?
Yes, I asked her if she knew anything about that.
Did she tell you what happened without, whether she did
Just
or
so she didn't know.
have you ever made a statement that is different than that?
Your Honor, we'd object to the lack of foundation, calls for hearsay, speculation, unless they can establish that that witness was present.
Thank you. Objection noted.
No, you ain't got to ask me, can you pee?
Proceed. Continue approach.
Show me your messages from Instagram from February 5th of 2021.
Who was that Instagram? Was that the one?
Hot summer sale, up to 90% off.
Wait a minute, don't do that. You see I'm on live. Y'all, they tearing this mama up. The mama is the trial. Go get it. Go on. Get it.
So is the, I don't remember that, so it's like 3 times already. So you don't recall making a statement?
Excuse me, one at a time, please. Let her finish her answer before you ask the next question.
So you don't recall making that statement? No, I don't. So you don't recall saying?
Objection.
Sustain.
So, Ms. Holmes, you said that your daughter didn't touch him.
Objection, asked and answered.
Sustain.
So, did you ever make a statement different than that?
Objection, asked and answered.
Sustain.
Into the statements that in regards to October 26th, 2018.
Yeah, I already got one open.
Is it your testimony to the jury
It's
that
not
you
refrigerator.
remember coming
Get the one out the
forward?
refrigerator.
Objection, asked and answered.
Sustain.
It's not been open. Yeah,
That's why I just want you to make an objection. So whoever's gonna handle it.
Yes, sir.
sit
I
right there.
apologize.
You got one at the top on here.
Ms. Holmes, is it your testimony you don't remember why you came down? I told you why I came down. Okay, why is that?
Objection, asked and answered.
Sustain.
Ms. Holmes, have you ever?
You got another one. You got another one in there already open.
What are you raised?
Holy shit. Look at that thing.
Ms. Holmes. Did your daughter ever threaten to cooperate with law enforcement?
Objection. Sustain.
Ms. Holmes, did you threaten to cooperate with law enforcement?
Objection, asked and answered.
Different question.
Why don't you come sidewalk?
Ms. Holmes, did you ever make any statements about what happened on October 26th of 2018?
Objection, asked and answered.
I don't know which statement you're talking about. Rephrase your question to specific.
Ms. Holmes, did you ever make any statements specific to what was
Wait,
happening
come
in
here.
the car on October 26th of 2018 prior to that?
Hold on 1 minute, live. Give me this. Come on. Get that. Get in here and get your juice. Then you can come here. Come here, wait. You interrupted me while I'm on live. Now you being rude. That's not nice. You being real rude while your grandma is not on her live. What the heck you did to me right now? Look, man, I wish you would tell me and I'm ready. Yeah. Now come on, man. That's all I said. You need to know I'm on live. Now sit down and look at TV and leave me alone when I'm on that. I apologize, lad. Y'all gonna give me 3 more days. Now, the mama. Okay, y'all, I gotta start right here. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.